This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Courter. First floor living, no stairs. New carpet, new patio slider, updated lighting. Open floor plan. Slider leads to covered patio and lawn. Attached garage with storage closet. Commuter location. Easy turnkey living. Just bring your furniture. Freshly painted interior from living room to kitchen and dining room. 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo on the main floor, no stairs. Walk to restaurants, shops. Minutes to NJ Transit. Community living offers just steps away tennis courts and in-ground pool with clubhouse. Scenic pond, sidewalks, jog/bike in this enclosed community. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Courter at 973-770-7777.